Hi students, how are you? This is your biology teacher. In earlier class, we have learnt about the differences between unicellular and multicellular organisms. In unicellular organisms, there is no demarcation of tissues, of organ and organ system like that. It has only single cell and finally consists of organism. But in multicellular organisms, we can observe different kinds of structures: cell, tissue, tissues, organ, organs, organism. So this kind of demarcation is present in animal. Again, in plant is also there, but very less demarcation is there among the plant and animal. We have to learn about animal and plant structures because both are the multicellular organisms. When we have observed the plant and animal, plants are sessile, they can't move. Where they are present, they should be stayed at that area. And also there is no more differences among the plant structure. We can find very less number of parts inside their body, and functions are also we can find very less number. But in animal, different kinds of cells are there. In earlier class, we have learned more than 200 kinds of cells. Each and every cell, when accumulate or multiply to get the tissue, to get the organ, to get the organ system, to do different kind of activities. But that kind of differences are not found in plant. In plant contain very less number of demarcation is there. Most of the plant cells are dead cells and some cells are living cells. They have more dead cells and less number living cells. But in animal, all the cells are living cells. Here mainly the plant cell helping for the growth and support of that plant to do different kind of activities. We can observe majorly two kinds of cells in plant tissues. Plant. What are the two kinds of cells present in the plant which are helping for the growth, and another one which are supporting for the plant? Those are helping for the growth. They are called meristematic tissues, and those are giving support to alive. They are permanent tissues. So in plant, we can observe two kinds of tissues. One is meristematic tissue, which is helping for the growth, and another one is permanent tissue, which is giving support to that plant. Here, when compared with animal, the plant required very less amount of energy. That too, that energy can be synthesized themselves by photosynthetic activity. Here, to do life activities, they required very less amount of energy because there is no complexity in plant than the animal, and all organs and all tissues whatever may be there in the plant, all are simple organization. There is no complexity in plant than the animal, and all these are stationary. Already we learnt about that. Here one important process is there. When compared with animal, the plant continuously gets growth. There is no limitation. Until end of its lifespan, the cell should be divided, and after end of its, the entire plant will die. But there is no stop of the growth. And also in this body should be contain some differentiation among the growth. Some areas should contain only a growth region, and another area do not present the growth region. But in animal, the growth is unique. In plant, not unique, because some region has only growing parts and some another region do not contain. But in animal, everywhere all the body parts should get growth by multiplying uniquely, and after end of its lifespan they will die. And all these cells, while getting growth, they should be derived from the pre-existing cell in plant and animal. In plant tissue, when we have observed the meristematic tissue, again these are apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are divided into three groups, and they all those located in different areas, not uniquely there. Some areas contain apical meristematic tissue, and some area contain lateral meristematic tissue, and some area contain intermeristematic tissues. And after that, end of its lifespan of apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue, and intercalary meristematic tissue, they will turn into permanent tissues. The permanent tissues are derived from the meristematic tissue, so the meristematic tissues are the parental tissues of permanent tissues. The permanent tissues are derived from the meristematic tissue. Yeah, apical meristematic tissue. When we have observed the apical meristematic tissue, apical, what is meant by apical? The tip of the area is known as apex. So the shoot of the plant, apical region is there, and the root of the plant, apical region is there. Wherever the tip of the shoot and tip of the root is known as apical region. That apical region contain some specialized tissues are there to get the growth or to multiply their number. Those are known as apical meristematic tissue. To get the length of plant or shoot, or to get the length of root, apical meristematic tissue continuously until end of its lifespan continuously should be get the multiplication. And another important one, lateral meristematic tissue. These lateral meristematic tissues are found beneath the bark and vascular bundles. Beneath the bark, where is the bark? The entire stem contain bark, the entire root contain bark, and the entire leaf contain, the margin of the leaf contain. So wherever the width of the plant pot or the width of the plant pot has to increase, that entire area located along with lateral meristematic tissue. So what is the importance of the lateral meristematic tissue? The lateral meristematic tissue helps to increase the size of the plant pot. Maybe that is root, that is stem, that is leaf, that is flower, that is fruit, each and every part to increase the size, not length, width or width of that pot. And another one, intercalary tissue. Intercalary tissue present in between the nodes. The stem, when we have observed the stem, it contains nodes. So the region wherever round ring-like structure is there, that is node. So around the node, intercalary tissues are there. So it helps to arise the number of branches, and not only that, to arise the number of branches and to get the growth of that branch, and to get different kind of activities along with that node. Everything should be carried out along with intercalary tissues. Mainly these are present the base of the leaves, base of the leaf. What is the base of the leaf? Wherever the node is there, it can arise the leaves, it can arise the branches. So to get the growth of the branches, to get the growth of the leaf from the node, so the intercalary tissue should be help for them. And another, mainly the meristematic tissues wherever it may be there. What are the different kinds of meristematic tissues? We read about the three kinds of meristematic tissues: apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue, and intercalary meristematic tissue. These all meristematic tissues have similar structure, and each and every part should be contained cellulose and also covered with cell wall. What is there here? The entire meristematic tissue covered with cell wall. Cell wall is there. We know about cell wall. In earlier class, we have learnt about cell wall. Wherever the cell wall is present, the entire region should be green in color and also has ability to do photosynthetic activity, because it has some chloroplasts are there. Chloroplasts and chromoplasts and leucoplasts are there in that region. So here meristematic tissue have the same similar structure, and also cellulose is there, and covered with hard membrane. Even though that is hard membrane, that should be contain some pits are there to exchange of the gases and elimination of the waste material. And mainly these tissues are meristematic tissues are have the different kind of structures. Some are spherical in structure, and some are oval, and some are rectangular and hexagonal, like that. Different shapes are there each and every. So we have to learn about the functions of the meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues acts as a parental tissue. So previously I told you, what am I told about you? Meristematic permanent tissues are there. Those permanent tissues are derived from meristematic tissue. After whenever the meristematic tissue have loosened their ability, loosen their division of ability, or loosen their ability of the photosynthetic activity, then they will turn into parental tissues. So that's why meristematic tissues are parental tissues of from which other tissues are developed from them. Yeah, these tissues takes part in the formation of mainly what happened here. Parental tissue does not get any growth, does not get multiplication themselves. So the growth or cell division should be happened only along with meristematic tissue. Whenever this meristematic tissue turn into parental tissue, they should not get any cell division, should not get any growth. Only what is the major function of that parental tissue? The parental tissue helps for the supporting of that plant. Only that is. And mainly these are found. What are these? All these parental cells are permanent cells are present in leaves, stems, roots, fruits, etc., as well as meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue is also present all these parts, and as well as parental tissue is also present in that part to give the support of that plant, to give the support of that leaf, support of the stem, support of that root, and support of that fruit. Everything to get the support, parental tissue is there, and to get the growth, meristematic tissues are there. So the next one is permanent tissue. This permanent tissue is derived from the parental tissue. What is the parental tissue of the permanent tissue? Meristematic tissue is the parental tissue of the permanent tissue. So how the permanent tissue derived from the parental tissue? Whenever the parental tissue such as meristematic tissue like apical meristematic and lateral meristematic and cambium, like that, three kinds of tissues are there, meristematic tissues are there. Whenever they have loosened their dividing ability or loosen their synthetic activity, photosynthetic activity, then they should turn into permanent tissues. So these permanent tissues are very large and should be shows more differentiation among the different kind of shapes. Differentiation among the different kind of shapes and different kind of functions are also functionally and structurally too different than the meristematic tissue. Here in meristematic tissue there is no intercellular space. They should pack each other without having some space in between the two cells. But in permanent tissue should be contained, some space will be there, intercellular space is there. So they have some loosen area among the intercellular, in between. What is meant by intercellular space? In between the two cells, whatever the space is there, that space is known as intercellular space. So this intercellular space should be present in permanent tissue. Here most of the permanent tissues have the well-developed organelles. All well-developed organelles are derived from the permanent tissues only. So here the permanent tissues, most of the permanent tissues are dead cells and very less number living cells. But in meristematic tissue, most of the cells are living cells and very less number dead cells. And it provides what are the permanent tissue provides protection, support, conduction and storage of the food material. What is meant by protection? Protection means to protect from the external environment, to give the support without getting any wilt, and another conduction of the food material. What is meant by conduction of the food material? Transportation of the water, transportation of the food material for the conduction, and after synthesis of the food material to store. So all those functions, what are all those? Protection, support, conduction and storage, all those should be happened along with permanent tissues. Okay, permanent tissues. Here the permanent tissues once again divided into three kinds. However, the meristematic tissues divided into three kinds according to the location and function, as well as permanent tissues are also divided into three kinds. Later we will discuss about simple permanent tissues. Thank you.